Global participation, massive data, and intense evaluation.
Living a dream kind of thing to be in an IPL franchisee office.
Seeing the competition, like 8,000 plus registrations, I never thought I would make it.
The winner gets an opportunity to watch the IPL auction live at Abu Dhabi.
I am confident that I should make a round, considering I'm combining psychoanalysis and data all together.
Please welcome Mr. Nikhil Madanapalli, Mr. Karan Choksi, Rupesh Yadav, Mr. Sushil Chaurasia.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
समय समाप्ति की घोषणा.
You were very nice.
Lot of good ideas.
Guys, looks like we have a top 8.
Global participation, massive data, and intense evaluation. 7,500 से ज़्यादा एंट्रीज आई थी and we're down to just 0.2%, यानी हमारे टॉप 16 कंटेस्टेंट. वेलकम टू सुपर सेलेक्टर. मैं हूं पीयूष शर्मा, आपका होस्ट. हमारे टॉप 16 जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं उनमें से अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज सिर्फ 12 ही हमें इन पर्सन ज्वाइन कर पाए क्योंकि वो क्राइसिस चल रहा है ऊपर. 4 जो है वो ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं हमें ऑनलाइन. तो आइए मिलते हैं हमारे 16 कंटेस्टेंट. Let's welcome Super Selectors Top 16. Our first participant is Nitin Rajshekhar, Shashmita R, Hanwig Nabi,
Living a dream kind of thing to be in an IPL franchisee office.
Man Sutaria, Vishnu C. We've got Abhishek,
To be actually a part of RR's competition and seeing the competition, like 8,000 plus registrations, I never thought I would make it.
Ronak Sudan, Naman Khatri,
I never imagined that one day I'll be there in this office. I'll be looking at all this stuff. That is an iconic jersey for sure. It's an emotion. 2008 is the most iconic year in the history for RR.
Chandni Chaudhary, Vishal Roy, Sainath Reddy, Shivanand Shukla.
Actually a dream for me to be at this place.
तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो ये 12 ही हैं तो you're correct, क्योंकि 4 हमारे participants who have joined us online. Please welcome Aditya Rai, Harshit Mishra, Aman Bhatkariya and Shivam Tiwari. Participants, congratulations on making it top 16. We've got a very long and very exciting day planned for all of you. किसी को आइडिया है मिलने क्या वाला है विनर को? हाँ, बड़े तेज हो रहे हो, बट ये बताने पे नहीं मिलेगा. Of course, the winner gets an opportunity to watch the IPL auction live at Abu Dhabi. आपको सिर्फ ऑक्शन देखने का मौका ही नहीं मिलेगा. You'll also get an opportunity to meet Giles and Kumar Sanjay. We've got 2 rounds today. First round is more of a learning round, learning opportunity for all of you. जहाँ पे we've got 4 mentors. हर राउंड में 2 mentors आएंगे. You can ask questions, you can ask for their feedbacks और सीखना है. और उसके बाद we'll evaluate and eliminate. So our first mentor is the data scientist of Rajasthan Royals. Please welcome Mr. Nikhil Madanapalli.
Hey guys, I'm Nikhil. I love cricket and I love data science. So this is the space I've been involved with the Royals for the last 2 years. Enjoy yourselves today. Good luck.
We have another mentor who is the head of Tech and AI at Rajasthan Royals. Please welcome Mr. Karan Choksi. Karan, this question is actually for both of you. There's always some kind of bias involved when you're watching a game as a fan because you're so emotionally involved in the game. You know, data is saying something else, but खुद का एक passion, खुद का एक bias. How do you keep that bias aside?
It's an excellent question, right? It's the hardest thing in the world to be objective. When your bias comes into the algorithm, we actually call that algorithmic bias. I'm sure all the smart people out here know about that. We include multiple data scientists, we include qualitative data, we include our coaches' opinions, and we put all of that together so that we can remove bias as much as possible, and perform as well as we can.
So thank you so much, and we've got some time for all of you guys. Karan, table number 1 for you. Nikhil, table 2 for you. And make sure कि आप बहुत कुछ सीखें, and you have to submit your entries after both the rounds are finished. Good luck.
You guys got access to some good data, right? Like yes. Data. Being cricket fans, being sports fans, what did you all expect?
Attacking, defensive, front foot, back foot, the connection of the shot. But when you actually gave the pitch map and like the lens and line, I was like, damn, this is proper data.
We have people on ground capturing this data for domestic matches, for international matches. It takes a lot of effort to create the data, right? And what I wanted you guys to get a view of is how comprehensive the kind of data that goes into cricket analytics is. And I hope you guys enjoyed looking at that and enjoyed understanding.
For this, I have for bowlers also similarly I've given different.
Yeah. No, I got the methodology.
Yeah, so the way they think, they have a lot of experience working in this domain. So the way they think, the parameters or the considerations that they have to do some kind of analysis, that is like another level.
I think more on a basis of data, and I'll actually like to make a system which is like capable of doing everything. Like it's not a static kind of thing. It should be dynamic. Like so, I made a system which can work with any other data too.
Online people, thank you so much for walking me through your approach. I loved how everyone is a very, very, very similar approach in this. And yeah, best of luck. So enjoy your time. Okay.
समय समाप्ति की घोषणा. मेंटर्स, आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत मजा आया, बट समय हमारे पास इतना ही है. तो थैंक यू फॉर दिस वंडरफुल सेशन, एंड नॉट जस्ट देम, मतलब ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. Time to welcome our third mentor. He's also the data scientist at Rajasthan Royals. Please welcome Rupesh Yadav. So Rupesh, you also have to evaluate and eliminate few of them, unfortunately. Is there a specific quality that you're looking at?
I'm a data savvy guy, right? So those who are going to explain that what this data says and why this data says, then that's my final evaluation.
Okay, it's time to call our fourth mentor as well. He is the head of data engineering. Please call Mr. Sushil Chaurasia.
So basically, my job is to ensure our brilliant data analyst and data scientist team gets their data on right time, in right format.
Talking about Virat, do you think ROCO for 2027?
And then
All of us, right? ROCO for 2027. So stage is all yours.
There are all of these. I could go on and on about how each of these were calculated, right?
I have done more of a psychoanalysis and then put those assumptions on the data and run through it.
Whenever saying that this is an assumption, so just explain what is the assumption, and then you proceed. One is the feature engineering part, where you basically construct new metrics.
They know that all of us are new, just taking a step, but they were still, we never felt that we were at different levels. They were all very friendly, they took like all our ideas very seriously and gave some very well thought feedback to us.
It's a common feedback for everyone. Okay, everybody is somewhere too much technical. Make it very clear to the judge. Okay. What is theory, and then you just go. Make sense?
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's it for the day. Participants, I think काफ़ी अच्छा आपके लिए एक learning session रहा होगा. In fact, दोनों ही. Mentors, I think it's time to proceed for the evaluation, and good luck to you too.
I am confident that I should make a round, considering I'm combining psychoanalysis and data all together.
Yeah, I'm pretty confident. I think I will be through this round.
I would be in the presentation round, and I'll hope that I can make things around.
I've done whatever I can. I'm not so confident, but yeah, let's wait and watch. Miracles do happen, so yeah.
First of all, what do you guys think of overall? Overall, what do you guys think of the presentations?
They were really technical and very nice.
Yeah?
Few were very nice. Yeah. Very.
Yeah, I think like there's quite a lot of talent in there despite them being quite young and not exposed to the industry. But still, a lot of good ideas already.
I think we've got quite few candidates who are actually shown domain knowledge of cricket.
Yeah.
It was not just purely technical. There were some guys who were not from data background and still they tried their best with the tech skills, coding and still.
So Bishal, Roy and Abhishek Akula, they both had extremely heavy machine learning approaches, and their knowledge of cricket, their knowledge of data science and their presentation, all three were solid. Bishal built multiple ML models. He layered on his knowledge of cricket on top of that and then combined them all into one final output. What I liked about Abhishek was that he basically recreated our expected runs model without knowing what expected runs is. He used the Kadamba zones, the zones of where the ball is pitching and where it's impacting, to basically create this that, okay, a Yorker is hard to score runs off. And there's evidence of that, right, in the data. And if someone is scoring runs off that ball, then they're scoring above the expected runs. So what we did was take quotes from all these, from selectors of India, head coaches of India, figured out what kind of player is India T20 looking for, and then reverse engineered the data analysis, the data analytics part according to that, right? So everyone had very different approaches.
Yeah, so one for sure from table 2 is Nitin Rajshekhar. He included multiple features like number of matches played, number of T20 matches played, the window prediction of when they would likely to be capped for India, which I didn't find in anyone else.
Some people who built all these machine learning models, deep learning models, maybe ensemble engines that combine 5-6 things, and then there were other people who went full with cricket intuition and statistical knowledge, and he basically recreated our expected runs model without really knowing what that is. And I thought it was a damn cool approach, and then he was able to present it also really well. So for me personally, these two guys walk into the top 8 from table 1.
So I think these are the decent rankings.
Yeah, the only points that he loses is Vaibhav isn't in his top 40. Guys, looks like we have a top 8.
Yeah.
To make you teach those skills to the business side of things, कि आप कैसे वो skills बेच भी पाएं, we've got the COO of Rajasthan Royals, Mr. Alok Chhatre.
Thanks Piyush. Thank you.
मुझे लगता है लाइफ और क्रिकेट फील्ड ना काफ़ी हद तक सिमिलर है. देयर आर डेज आप नॉट आउट रहोगे, एक दिन ऐसा होगा आप आउट होगे. ये जो बैलेट में है ना वो वही है, आउट एंड नॉट आउट. तो एट ए टाइम रैंडमली 2 एनवेलप्स ड्रॉ करूंगा और जिसका भी नाम होगा आप यहाँ पे आइएगा. आपका रिजल्ट आपके हाथ में है, तो क्वाइट लिटरली आपके हाथ में.